Today, our journey continues. We will keep analyzing multi-time frames with price action and smart money techniques. Of course, we'll be using our best trading view indicator in this journey. So, you can see how the momentum strategy really works. Let's start now. It has been a long time since we checked out the Bitcoin. But remember, price action is the same everywhere. As long as we have momentum, we can trade the similar strategies with any assets. Early in the morning, BTC rallied really fast and pulled back into this multi-imbalance zone. This alone gave us trade ideas, at least a practical trade zone. In the 1-hour chart, we can notice very interesting price action altogether. Keep this in mind. This is the point of multi-imbalance tabs zone from the momentum layout. Now notice the super BPR. 3 imbalances in a straight line. Who remembers the super BPR? Type the super BPR in the comment section if you remember it. If we just zoom out in the 1-hour chart again, we can also observe the 1 week worth of price action. Price rallies like crazy in the recent days and creating this gigantic imbalance zone. And then it just pulls back, and it pulls back into nice SR Phillips zone combined with imbalance. This is a great example of our classic price action concepts. Now let's get back our recent trade idea again. So back to today, down to the lower time frames like this 3-minute chart. Price taps into this super BPR location combined with a multi-imbalance point. You already know that. With our deepest low, market structure changes as you can see. Okay, today I want to talk about price action fuel points. What makes the price move like crazy most of the time? I want you to notice these equal lows right here. And right below it, we have the small BPR as you notice. This is how the price fills up and gives us a tradable, at least a 2-hour compact setup. Let me recap everything and show you how the price fills up one more time. First of all, you find yourself an entry zone, a demand or a supply zone of any kind, it does not matter. Then you start to seek an entry. You notice the structure shift in the lower time frame. At this point, confirming a liquidity point and inner liquidity point with imbalance would be magical like in this example. Because liquidity sweep plus imbalance tab is the number one field of price action concepts and analysis. In our theory, this is how the price actually moves from one point to another most of the time. Finally, why do we use compact and smaller setups? Why do we avoid the greed? Because markets are unpredictable. Buyers and sellers change hands so quickly. Trends change in a matter of minutes, and the world is really crazy, especially nowadays. You, me, or any other trader in the world do not know the future. We have no idea about the future. This is the reality. Get in and get out. Cut your losses. Keep some runners. This is the way. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational enough. Take care of yourself for now and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you